Alright, we just got some, what would that be called? Danish, right? Danish. It gets on Colossians, but I thought those were Danishes. Like with the cream in it. Let's see. So, $15. They're homemade though, I guess. I just need something to hold me till I can get somewhere where there's cheaper food. We got a lot of fat bombs. Hey, I could just drink my soda. But, hey, I used this bag. This Chico bag. It was one of those foldable bags. It was like a little. Oh yeah, how's that? Oh, that's mine. Let's see. That was good. What did you say? He was an award-winning something.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Anyway, the bag came in handy. Yeah, leave it in my car. So, pulls down to like where you can, hold on, block on camera. Clip on your belt loop. Has a pouch on the side. It doesn't really zipper up, but we were gonna put a jacket. And we bought a bunch of freshies. We got some sodas in there. Let me see. She got some like nurse ones, but I got. Oh, there's the one I got. Whoa. I guess you bought it, right? For the Jeep. Leather smell. I like the leather. And then here's like a Christmas one and a nurse scrub like one. Salty sea, mahogany wood. Alright. Pretty much all. I think he said it got some Molly or something. Maybe put the carabiner stuff on there. I don't know, but basically you just tuck it into what would be the inside pocket. And kind of go like this. Shove it all in. Let me see if I can set my camera up and do it in front of you. I just did a whole shot where I folded this up and it didn't come out. But anyways, folds up into the pocket, carabiner clip. Real cheap, but it does the job.